Hello, everyone. Yeah, I have spoken to a hall full of sleepy audience. Looks like we have a hall full of hungry audience, right? So I'll make it quick before you guys get hangry, right? And yeah, what a slot I've got. I never expected this. A beautiful slot just before lunch break, and this also gives me an opportunity to serve you Appyverse as starters before you break for lunch. Let's dive in here. I don't have any slide deck today, right, to make it a little interesting. So I decided to walk the tightrope by giving some demonstrations. When I was discussing this with the team, I was told that the network might be patchy, Wi-Fi might be patchy. I was like, oh my God, okay, I'm gonna walk the tightrope and come back. Okay? You guys ready to walk with me? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I forgot to mention the patchy screen sharing part. So our person is just getting it done. Give me a minute. So till then, I'll just give you a quick introduction about Appyverse. Appyverse is a suite of AI colleagues, and so we've been experimenting with AI for many years, and so we've been hearing a lot of sophisticated applications and sophisticated use cases and so on and so forth, right? So that's when we started looking inward. What are we doing? What problems are we facing? Let's fix the problems that we are facing with AI, and then we'll go out there and solve others' problems as well. Okay, so how many are founding team members, CXOs, from sales team, right? So you you will know the steepest challenge that we have right now in the industry is to find a validated contact to sell or to give away your products or services, right? So that was our problem. We invested and wasted a lot of time and effort on chasing the wrong kind of contacts, and our sales cycle became really, really long because of all those things. So we thought, why not start with validating the contacts and presenting it, sanitizing it in a way which is easily digestible and easily approachable without thinking twice. So that's where we came up with this product. So this is one of many Microsoft products, which is part of the AI colleague suite of Appyverse. Okay, so this is just I'm giving the demo on a small subset of the data we have, right? And yeah, here we are. So we have. So did I run a DB query? Did I apply any filters? No, right? So I used just my natural language, which we are all used to now, typing, prompting, right? And this is the data that we received, and these filters are automatically getting mapped by interpreting the natural language and building an API and pulling the data from the backend. Okay. Let's just see probably another region. Okay, yeah, so that explains the Apache network. Yeah, great. So we have quite a few companies, and in most use cases, it's not the companies that we want to contact, right? Probably a person from that company. So we have solved that as well. For example, contacts where, okay, with designation as Okay? So we have quite a few contacts with designation as director. We can filter out using a region. Great. So this is the kind of data that we will be, working with to reach out to our prospective clients and prospective partners, which are validated, sanitized, and ready for use out of the box. So as you've seen, we will get tens and thousands of contacts based on our search, right? So how do we contact them? Shall we cold email them? You want to do that? No, right? So we really want to contact them, call them, and have a conversation with them and understand what their problem areas are and how we can help them solve it, right? So to solve that, we came up with another micro-SaaS product called Ivy. Okay, so Ivy is, before I start with Ivy, I don't want to talk about it much because something interesting happened today, right, at this conclave, right? So we have a booth right outside the door, and so we had another beautiful booth next to us from Squarea. Squarea is an investment gateway to Dubai, and we just got chatting, and I said, hey, why not build something for you guys here? And Abhishek from Squarea was really generous, and he too jumped and said, yes, why not? That'll be great. So next, I would like to invite Abhishek from Squarea onto the stage for a quick demo. Abhishek. Great. Hey, Abhishek. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for, here we meet again.
Yeah.
So morning we met, our discussion was slightly different, right? And today, not today, now. So right now, we'll see what's come out of that discussion.
Absolutely.
Okay? Are we ready? Okay, yeah. So what I did was, I just took some basic details from Abhishek about him and some, mandatory details like mobile number and contact details and his Squarea website URL. Okay, so that's all we did. And so as part of this SaaS product, we came up with, yeah. So this is what a client dashboard would look like, right? We set it up right here just a few minutes ago. And as you can see, there are not much activity happening here because we haven't done any. And I just wanted to keep this as a surprise for Abhishek. Yeah. So this is our microsite for Squarea, which was built as part of the build. And Abhishek, if you could just key in your details,
Okay, sure.
right, and see what happens.
Should I click on it?
Yes, please. So, to get a call, we just spoke about call and how to reach out our thousands of prospects. Great.
Hello?
Hello, I'm here to assist you. How can I help you today?
Hey, hi. I wanted to know, how can I invest in Dubai?
Investing in Dubai is quite appealing due to several factors. You can invest in residential properties, commercial real estate, or even consider fractional ownership options. Key advantages include freehold ownership in designated zones, zero personal income and capital gains tax on real estate, and strong rental demand. For tailored advice and specific properties, I recommend reaching out to our team for a personalized consultation. Would you like more information on a particular type of property?
Sure. Why should I invest in Dubai through Squarea?
Investing through Squarea offers you several advantages. We assist you in earning returns between 8 to 12% by guiding you to the right properties, whether for renting, Airbnb, or resale. Our services include comprehensive due diligence on title, tenants, and property conditions, as well as structuring lock-ins and escalations for your investment. Additionally, we provide post-purchase management to ensure your capital works from day one. For a personalized plan, I recommend consulting with our advisors. Would you like to know more about a specific type of property or investment strategy?
I would also want to know what are the good places to party in Dubai.
Okay, now he's
Dubai
talking.
is known for its vibrant nightlife, and Dubai offers a dynamic nightlife scene with several popular areas to enjoy. Some of the best places to party include 1. Dubai Marina, known for its upscale clubs and bars. It's a hub for nightlife. You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Okay.
Have a great day.
That's all.
Great. Thank you so much, Abhishek. And I specifically liked the party question, right? Thank you so much. Yeah. So that was a quick demo of our AI calling product called Ivy. And so what we did was we just spoke to them, just took some details and created this client and mapped their data to our client and, done, right? So this is how easy we can set up voice agents for different use cases, not just for sales or customer support, even for outbound and multiple other plethora of cases, right? So now I have gotten into a proposal with Squarea, right? And I want to send a formal proposal to Abhishek, right? So how do I do that? So this is where another microSaaS product comes into play. That's Gnana. As you can see, Gnana is our internal brain or internal knowledge base where I can have a conversation with, right? So let's just quickly see a very simple query, right? Guys, this is just a query, okay? I've got no news to share with you guys. Okay, that explains a little bit of patchy network. Okay, so this directly queries my HR documents and just gives me this this response where it's just not just this, right? A lot more complicated queries can be constructed, and response will be that much simpler. And now with this, let's just move to proposal. Okay, yeah. Show me the proposal template for Ivy. Here, I don't have to go to any Google Drive or SharePoint or OneDrive or any other, cloud drives. I just have to, ask a simple question, and I should be having the response in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Great, right? So this is a standard template. I'll just quickly copy and paste and create a new template for Abhishek, right? I can apply, client name, Squarea, probably, total cost. How much should we charge, Abhishek, right? 20,000? Not USD, INR. 10,000 INR? Okay, let's keep it at 4,999 INR, right? So I'll update this template, and I can upload it again in Gnana, and again I can interact with that template, asking, hey, what was the latest proposal for IV? It'll pull out this template. How much? What was the proposal cost? It'll pull out the details, right? And this particular tool will be extremely useful for our internal teams, your internal teams, right? So we are, truly showing beauty is really, really in simplicity, right? So now we've taken care of our internal teams, and what about our customers? How do we share the same simplicity with them, but still giving them all the details that they require, right? So there comes our next platform, next AI colleague. So you can see this. This is actually in production. Hammock Holidays is one of our clients. They were really generous to allow us to present Hammock Holidays on the stage, where we have integrated Saha. Saha is this little guy here, right? So you click on it, so you can have your own branding with Saha. As we have seen, it's called Hammock Saha. And Hammock Holidays is a tour and experiences operator, right? And they operate all over India, Asia, and many countries as well. So let's start with October is a good time to go to Goa, right? Show me some packages for Goa. Right? So what it's doing here is, it is actually, so we have integrated Hammock Holidays in a layered format, right? So Hammock Holidays itself has a lot of data in its backend. First, we are going to query that data using APIs and other tool callings. And if, for example, that data is not there, then we also have a global search implemented across the platform. So we will try to get some sense and calculate confidence level, and if we are happy with the confidence level, we'll present the data. Then if these two tool callings are not enough for a particular query, then we will go out there and get what is best for that query and present it there. Okay, so great. We have Goa. How about Kurg? Okay, here we are. So these, it just not gives response, it gives response with links to the packages which are in Hammock. So this is our Kurg package from Hammock, and similarly, we have Goa package, which is part of the response itself, right? So yeah, this is just few of a plethora of microservices which are part of the Appyverse. We are in a booth right in front of the door. As soon as you walk out, we'll be there to greet you, speak with you, interact with you, and show some magic, right? Probably, I think we don't have time for questions. We'll interact right outside the door in our booth. Okay, guys, thanks. And have an amazing lunch, yeah?
Thank you. Please stay back. We have a token of appreciation. Let's call Mihir Das to please join us on stage to hand over the gift, please. So yes, thank you so much, sir, for enriching your knowledge towards this. And anybody who has any kind of queries, doubts, please feel free to get in touch with the gentleman outside. Let's have a big round of applause, and thank you. Thank you so much for this amazing session.